So we were in Clovis, California, and we came out to replace a hose bib. What happened here is the old bib snapped off in this T, and in front of it, what they had done is gone ahead and plumbed in a drop down to sprinklers with no union in it. They had just screwed it in. So this was configured something like that and like that. So you can see that was tied straight into that valve. So no way to repair it. They're hand watering right now, so we told them we just go ahead and abandon that. Later on, they can come in and be real easy to put a nipple in there, short 3/4 by 2 nipple. Go ahead and replace this with a teeth, which would be a 1 by 1 by 3/4. Not like this one. That's a 1 by 3/4 by 1. So it would be 1 inch by 1 inch by 3/4, and then put another nipple. And then you put your bib back on after that. But then you can just take a stainless steel or copper, whatever you want. But stainless steel, it works well with galvanized piping, like a 24-inch, and just loop it around. It's a water heater supply. So loop it around, and you're right back online, ready to go with your sprinklers. So, anyways, we went ahead and just unscrewed everything. Put in a brand new bell reducer, 1 inch by 3/4, straight out of Home Depot, 3/4 quarter turn shut-off valve there. So it's just stainless steel ball up inside of there. So this won't fail like your other hose bibs, and you're messing with it and it's dripping out of here. So you'll have a good time with this one. So water's back on. Outside of that, this installation is done.